When do you pay federal gift tax? Imagine giving a gift to a loved one and wondering if you need to pay extra taxes on it. That's a common question for many people planning their estate or just wanting to be generous. Let's break down when you actually owe federal gift tax. You only pay gift tax if the total value of gifts you give to one person in a year exceeds a set limit. For 2025, that limit is $19,000 per recipient. So, if you give someone more than $19,000 in 1 year, you need to report the excess to the IRS using Form 709. But here's the key. You don't pay tax right away unless your total gifts over your lifetime go beyond a big exemption amount. That lifetime exemption is $13,990,000 in 2025. What does that mean? Well, if you give a gift over the annual $19,000 limit, you file the form to tell the IRS about it. But you only pay gift tax if your total gifts over your lifetime, including those already given, surpass that $13,990,000 exemption. When that happens, any amount over that exemption is taxed at rates that can go up to 40%. It's important to know that some gifts are always tax-free. Gifts to your spouse who is a U.S. citizen, donations to charities, payments made directly for someone's medical bills or tuition, and political contributions don't count against your limits. If you give a gift that exceeds the $19,000 limit, you must file the form even if no tax is due. This helps keep track of your total lifetime gifts. Remember, filing doesn't mean you owe money right then. It's just a way to record your gifts and see if you've used up your exemption. From an estate planning point of view, understanding these rules helps you transfer wealth during your lifetime in a smart way. Using the annual exclusion and your lifetime exemption can reduce the size of your estate for estate tax purposes. If you're married, you and your spouse can combine your annual exclusions, giving up to $38,000 per person without any tax worries. In short, you pay federal gift tax only when your gifts to one person in a year go over $19,000 and your total gifts over your lifetime go beyond the $13,990,000 exemption. Until then, most gifts are either tax-free or just need to be reported. Being aware of these limits helps you plan your giving and estate transfers wisely.